Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of July, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.03. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 3.23% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 4.90% to 21.7%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts an anticipated change of 18.54%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from negative 7.56% to 98.55% over the next year. This means the future price could be projected to fall within a range between $292.15 and $627.53. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Friday trading session. The Tesla stock price increased by 3.52% on the last trading day, Friday, the 25th of July, 2025, rising from $305.30 to $316.6. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.07%, with a low of $308.1 and a high of $323.63. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.81% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 9 million shares, with a total of 147 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $46.51 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could signal potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest was $182. Currently, the price is 35.31% or $172.48, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the stock's all-time high. Tesla has recently received multiple shareholder proposals advocating for investment in CEO Elon Musk's artificial intelligence startup, xAI. This initiative may indicate a desire to further integrate artificial intelligence into Tesla's future operations, potentially influencing long-term growth and innovation in the competitive electric vehicle market. The stock experienced a rebound today, rising 3.6% following positive trading signals, which reflects renewed investor confidence despite earlier setbacks. This optimism aligns with reports of a promising robo-taxi service set to launch in San Francisco, a venture that could diversify revenue streams and further solidify Tesla's presence in the autonomous vehicle sector. While the company faced challenges in the second quarter, with a notable decline in automotive sales and operating profits, deliveries have indeed rebounded, particularly for the Model Y in China, indicating strong demand. Analysts believe that Tesla's brand strength and its plans for robotaxis justify the so-called Tesla premium, suggesting resilience in its stock price. Moreover, Tesla is expanding its chartered transportation service in the Bay Area, illustrating strategic growth initiatives amid its evolving business model. With the technology market's focus on artificial intelligence, any advancements and investments related to xAI could enhance Tesla's valuation, positioning it favorably for sustained investor interest. Short-term fluctuations may continue due to earnings pressures, but long-term prospects remain strong as the company explores innovative revenue opportunities. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Tesla an overweight rating and suggested a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla a positive rating and recommended a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, it was reported that William Blair assigned Tesla a market perform rating and issued a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy rating and suggested a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Tesla a sell rating and recommended a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Concerning return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, also known as MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which might serve as an early warning sign. The stock warrants close observation. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact short-term developments. The Tesla stock currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $323.37 and $317.55. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, June 23, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 9.36%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 115 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's examine the support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla has established support from accumulated volume at $305.30. This level may present a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, its risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $15.62 between its high and low, representing 5.07%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 50 cents. Keep a close eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $326.09. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla meets its first support level at $305.30. If this support level holds firm, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On July 11, 2025, James R. Murdoch executed an insider purchase of 90,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, James R. Murdoch also conducted an insider sale of 90,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option, which grants the right to buy. On July 7, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja carried out an insider sale of 4,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option. The following day, on July 8, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja performed another insider sale of 2,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option. On July 7, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja also made an insider purchase of 4,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 42.074. In total, insiders bought 1,101,482 shares and sold 2,802,883 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $303.92, reflecting a decrease of 3.84%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 23 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla currently displays several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it might be wise to consider it as a hold or accumulation opportunity, while we await further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold. After examining the volatility and trading movements of the most recent day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of July, we anticipate that Tesla will open lower by approximately 16 cents, starting at $315.90. We remind you that trading involves a high level of risk regarding the loss of money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.